Hello. In this video, I will show you how to add an ingredient to the database step by step and how to use that ingredient in a recipe or formula. How do you determine if you need to add an ingredient? Let's say you're working on a recipe and you realize we don't have the exact food item you're looking for. In this case, you will need to enter in your own ingredient data from the food package or the nutrition spec sheet that you have. If you are in the middle of a recipe, no worries, go ahead and follow through all the screens of the recipe or formula and close your item. You can always come back to it once you are done adding your ingredient. Now let's begin. From the main dashboard, click on the Create Ingredient button. Please note, all fields marked with an asterisk is a required field. Ingredients will not be saved or used until those required fields are filled in. For each screen, you will add the data that you have from your food package or nutrition spec sheet. The first screen is Basic Detail screen. Add your ingredient's name. You can pick a food group, a manufacturer, or a reference for this food. These three fields are optional. You can also assign a unique code. This will help with searching later on if you wish to search by a food number or an internal code. When finished, hit Continue. The next screen is the Measure screen. Here from the food package or nutrition spec sheet, add the measure of the food. Please note, for example, if you pick half a cup, make sure the nutrition info you have is based on the half cup. If you have data in 100 grams, enter 100 grams here in Measure. You can add as many units of measure as you need to. If you make a mistake, you can always type over the number. For example, instead of 128, you meant 129. No worries, simply type over the number. When finished, hit Continue. The next screen is the Nutrient Profile screen. This is the main screen where nutrient info is added. Look at your spec sheet or food package and enter the units of each nutrient provided. Be careful and check units of various vitamins and minerals so you enter the correct value in the right spot. If you have some data provided in percentages, no problem. From the top of the screen, pick region this data will be used in, and then a white box will appear in the percent column for you to type in the percent data, and the software will automatically calculate that in its units, as I have shown in this video. We show a very long list of nutrients here. You only need to add the data for the information you have. The rest you can leave blank. Hit Continue when finished. This screen is called the Statement screen. If you need to showcase the ingredients found in the tomato sauce in your final recipe or food package, you will type that here. This is not required for every user, so only follow this step if it is a requirement for your item. For example, in my tomato sauce package, I will type in the ingredients shown in this package. The information I type here will show up in parentheses in my recipe and final label. If you are making labels in various different languages, then add the ingredient statement here in those various languages. For example, if you want to make an English-Spanish label, then please type it in for both English USA and Spanish USA so that it is displayed correctly for each label. Hit Continue when finished. The last screen offers you a few options for saving. Pick the ones you wish and continue on, or you can save and close your ingredient. Please remember, if you need to use this ingredient in a recipe, you will simply hit Edit Recipe button from the main dashboard. Find your recipe, click on the Edit button, and then add the ingredient on the Add Ingredient screen of the recipe. The recipe video outlines how to build recipes and formulas. Please refer to that video from our video library. Thank you for watching this video.